Random dad stuff. Yeah. So since I gotta push this truck a ways, I thought I'd do a little community service and cleanup on the way. Got a whole back full of trash here now. Made quite a haul here, but at least I got the roads cleaned up a little bit and getting Nathan his truck back. Let's keep pushing. We've only got a little bit of ways to go. And oh crap! Oh crap! Stop!
Hi. What are you doing?
Just trying to push this truck back to the hauler, get it back to Nathan. But I'm picking up a bunch of trash on the way, do a little community service.
Yeah.
But I made it to the Claiborne County line.
Oh jeez.
So if you talk to Nathan, I couldn't get him on the phone, tell him I'm getting closer.
Alright.
Okay, bye. Getting to the turn, I better turn. Alright, we can let it coast for a second. Just for a second though. While oh. Turn! Oh man. Well, I'm in luck. I found a trash dump place, so we're gonna go push it in here and dump the trash. Locked. See, today's Monday. Should be Memorial Day. Alright. Well, I made it to Owen's Grocery. Go see if they got some snacks or something. We still got about a mile uphill to push this thing. Made it into the entrance to the hauler here. Got a little bit of downhill, a little relief, so we're just gonna give it a push and see what happens. Alright, we can let it coast for a little bit. I hope it stops. I hope it stops. Big hill, come on. All right, well, found this trike on the side of the road. Put it in the back of the truck, but I think it might be useful now. If we can get up this hill, let's hook it on. Break the handlebars off, I'll be able to fit. Not working. Oh well. Come on. It's working. Come on, little buddy. Come on. You can do it. Oh man. Well, I pulled too hard. We had a tricycle casualty. I got a little momentum built up here. Going good. One more big uphill. Made it. Let's go see what Nathan has to say. Man! Where have you been?
What's up, buddy? Long time no see. How'd she do for you?
Crap. Couldn't get it to start again. Show me what the trick is here. I checked everything, checked all the belts, checked the...
What do you mean? How'd you get it here?
See? It doesn't turn on, doesn't turn over.
Oh, you have to push... Dang city slickers, you gotta push the button.
Oh.
What? That's all. What's it? What?
Genius right here.
City slickers, buddy.
I could have done that the whole time along.
Oh yeah, it's a good old truck.
Could have answered his dang phone. Could have saved myself about 6 hours of work.
Oh yeah, it's starting straight.
But now I got all this trash in the back for you. The dump was closed. At least I got your truck back. You're welcome. Well, all is well. Made it back. Got the truck back, and he did his little magic touch and all of a sudden started. Of course, that's how it always goes, but well, anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye.